In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating magnifying effect using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is such a versatile design tool that allows you to add fun and interesting visual elements to your projects. This magnifying effect is a great way to highlight details or bring focus to important parts of your design. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Canva project. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a section labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on it. You'll find a variety of creative options here, everything from shapes and frames to lines and icons. For this tutorial, we're going to use one of Canva's frames to help us achieve that magnified look. Inside the Elements section, scroll until you find the Frames category. There are many shapes available, but for this effect, we'll be using the circle frame, which will act as our magnifier. Once you find it, click to add it to your design canvas. Now, let's resize the frame so it fits perfectly over the area you want to emphasize. To do that, just click and drag the corners of the frame until it's the right size. Think of this as the lens of your magnifying glass. It should be large enough to highlight your chosen detail, but small enough to look natural within the design. Next, we'll create a connection between the magnified area and the rest of your image. Head back to the Elements panel and type line in the search bar. Choose a simple line shape and drag it onto your canvas. Position this line so it points directly toward your circular frame. This helps visually link the magnifier to the exact spot you want to draw attention to. Now for the fun part, adding your image. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the circle frame. Canva will automatically crop and fit it within the circle. If you'd like to adjust which part of the image appears inside the frame, double-click on the image. This opens the adjustment mode where you can move the picture around until the exact area you want to magnify is perfectly centered. Take a moment to compare how the magnified section stands out from the rest of your design. You'll instantly notice how this effect draws the viewer's eye and adds a professional, creative touch to your project. And that's it. You've just created a simple but powerful magnifying effect in Canva. Whether you're using it for a presentation, product display, or creative graphic, this trick helps you highlight the most important details beautifully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep experimenting, stay creative, and have fun designing in Canva.